wake up each morning, what is the first thing that you do? Well, I'm willing to bet my cat that it's probably grabbing your phone. Okay. Our phones have replaced so many things in our lives, and they fill so many functions. Hello everyone, my name is Lori, I'm your positivity princess, and I'm here spreading love and positivity. If you try your best every day to be as positive as possible, then click that like button. Okay, today's daily dose of positivity is about finally putting away that phone for either a day or a few hours. The amount of time is up to you, and it's your choice. The idea is to put it away for a bit. Okay, as I was saying earlier, the phone has literally replaced so many other devices. Tell me which of these functions your phone fills. Okay, here goes. The phone is now your calendar. It's a clock, it's a calculator, it's a notepad. It is a game device, a TV and a film streaming device. It's a camera, it's a newspaper, it's your computer, it's a personal assistant, a personal shopper. Oh yeah, and also did I mention it's a phone for making phone calls? Do you feel like you're on your phone like a lot? Well, there's a reason that you reach for it often. It's actually a biological, scientific reason. When you get a text message, a notification, a like on social media, you receive a little bit of dopamine. The little rush of dopamine is like a little sensory reward every single time. The reason you look at your phone many times a day is the same reason that people play on a slot machine. Over and over again, there's always that chance at each pull of the handle that you may win. The phone gives you the same intermittent reward schedule. I want you to try doing things a little bit differently. When you wake up tomorrow morning, do not reach for your phone. Start your day with something else. Upon waking, start with, say, a few positive affirmations. Maybe write a gratitude journal. Go for a walk in nature. Get grounded and centered before you grab that phone. Okay? You will thank me and you will thank yourself for that. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. Comment below. I will not touch my phone tomorrow morning until I get centered first. Comment below a cell phone related tip that you want to share with everybody else. Okay? I love all your comments and I do my best to respond to every single one. Hey guys, if you like what you heard, click that like button, click that subscribe button and that bell notification so you do not miss the next daily dose of positivity. Thank you all for watching. I love you all so much. Have a blessed and beautiful day and be positive. Mwah.